Max Volador 100 watt equivalent LED bulbs. They arrived very safely. I just want to show you what you get, and then we're going to do a test where I'm going to shut off the light that I'm using to film this, and I'm only going to have the light in my room that's above me, and then we'll replace it with one of these bulbs, and we'll see if we can tell the difference, and I'll probably fuse the film together so it happens rather quickly. So let's open this up. We get a bunch of light bulbs. This is the watts that this LED bulb is running at. These are the lumens that we're looking for right here. And it's a daylight white standard light bulb fitting right there, so they'll fit anything. They're kind of lightweight. Some of these LED bulbs that I've had in the past or have a little bit of weight to them. These are light just like a regular light bulb. All right, let me shut my camera light off. There's that. All right, let's remove this light bulb ceiling pot. Wow, big difference. Bright white light. I love it. Yeah, it almost has a fluorescent feel to it. Max Volador LED bulbs, I love them.